Hello again, friends, from the same series, Free Fixing for Friends. Here I have a Dell laptop, and that's an Inspiron i7 17.3 display, NVIDIA iCore i7 10th generation with an NVIDIA graphic card. Evidently nothing happens, no sign of life, and it's not charging. It's dead in the water, if I may say. Here I have the original adapter, 65 watts. Let me see if I can measure anything around here. Yeah, we have a green light on the adapter. We have 19 volts. The adapter is working. Let me find the Dell. This is, yes. So red is plus. Let's check that before. We don't need any surprises here. Minus, plus. Yeah, that's fine. Let's plug in and see the voltmeter on the power supply. And nothing. Nothing at all. What about the original power supply? Let me plug it in. Same story. No LEDs. Nothing. Okay, let's open it up and see what's happening. So I have two long ones, a very short one right here, keeping the DVD in place, the disk drive. You know, the laptop, it's looking good. It's looking almost no scratches, nothing. This is nice. How can I take this out? The disk drive, it's out. And it's out. First of all, here we have the power supply input. So we can simply check if we have any voltages. But before anything, let me check for shorts. That's fine, no short. Let me have the... Okay, do we have any voltage on the battery? Let's take... We have voltage to the battery. Yeah, the battery is out. Now let's check for shorts. Fine. Evidently we got no shorts. It's fine, this is beautiful. Power supply. And do we have any power here? Nothing. How comes? There's the original power supply, and let me come with my power supply. Nothing here. What is this? Is it the port? No, it can't be. It's so simple. We got two black ones. These are minus. And we have two red ones, which are evidently plus. So this is plus. This side of the port, it's plus. Once we have this into the things, no current there and no power here. This is strange. Okay, let me check original. And no power, nothing. Okay, let's try something. Let me have 19 volts straight current, and we have minus and plus. Let's take a look at the power supply, and nothing. Let me see. The battery is out. What's happening if I'm pushing the power button? Yeah, look there. I have a light. You see that? Look there. You see that LED? Look, it's right here. Check that out. Perfect. Okay, I got the LED. Where is the power button? right here. Power on. Yes, we have current. The laptop should start, but I believe we don't have enough current. It's spinning. The LED is back, lighting turns off, and we got picture. Oh yeah, this is very clear. So it's a matter of the port. Okay, let me see if it's charging. Battery, it's on. And we have the screen. Okay, what can we do here? Press for setup, run, press F5 for diagnostics. Okay, I don't see any charging current, so it's very possible the battery is really depleted and needs some help. We'll do that after diagnostics. And it's still on, but nothing on the display. 1.4 amps. I'm waiting. And okay, Windows, it's on. Got you. No charging sign. Some power. Taking out power supply. Oh, we have charged the battery. Beautiful. So the battery is working, in fact, but I don't have a clear charging sign. But the LED, it's turning. Now it's yellow, and then it's white, and then turns off, because it feels that there is no original adapter. Okay, now let me have the power port back in. No change. Is it charging? No, but at least we have the power sign over there saying very clear that it's not charging. So the battery is working. That means we should have charging current of some sort to the battery. Let's apply plus. Any current? Nothing. Let's put some more current. 16 volts. Still nothing. But the story is it starting on battery? Let's see. I have the white LED, and then I have the yellow. Let me try to push some current to the battery. Oh yeah, now it's working. I have 1.2 amps going to the battery. Let me charge it a little bit more. Okay, so the battery is fine. What is saying? The battery is critically low. I know. Charging well. 1.2 amps. The fan is spinning. Look there. Do we have any change in voltage? 10.5. And rising. Oh yeah. That means it's charging. Nothing left, but let me check the port. Yeah, everything's fine here. So what's wrong with you? It's a kind of rubber, plastic something. I need access to the terminals. That's the story here. Minus, plus, and the middle pin. Which is which? This is minus for sure. Perfect. Plus goes where? Let's try like that. Let's see now. So it's looking like finally going somewhere. What is that? Nothing. Still nothing. Why? Okay, let's see now. Still nothing. Oh man, I can't believe it. I really don't understand why. What is happening here? Oh, I think we got something stuck. Look there. I think we got something stuck in the plug. You see that something up there? You see that? Piece of something. What is that? I think that's the problem. Not letting tilde And you see, I think we got something here. Alright, I need a very sharp something. Oh yes, so that was the story. It was something inside there preventing or blocking the way to at the contact. I think we fixed it. Now we should have a beep on plus. Perfect, we have that. That's fine. And of course, the middle pin. This will let the computer know that there is an original power supply. Let me see about the inside contact. Okay, we need that bow, like, you see, that prevents the top of the contact hanging inside the plug. The male plug should be fine. And yeah, you see, that's what I'm talking about. The inside contact touching the inside ring, in fact. Okay, I think we fixed it. Now we should have a very clear plus. Perfect. Let me have the middle pin too and get the wires back, and then we apply some UV gel or hot glue. I think hot glue is better. There we go. I need some more magnification. Double glasses. So we got the middle. Perfect. Plus and minus. Let me check for shorts. No, it's fine. And of course, hot glue. Back in place. That's exactly what I was looking for. To be sure. Oh. Perfect. I need that to prevent. That's more than enough. Here I have the original charger. We have the light. And it's working. Beautiful. We'll take a look in a second to see if it's charging. Okay. Everything's fine. Can securely power on. The white LED is still light. It's booting to Windows. And we have the charging sign. Look there. Perfect. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Evidently this is the original adapter in 65 watts, 9% level charging, excellent health for the battery. Supply with my power supply, which evidently doesn't have a middle pin for ID or something. Let's see what's happening. You see, not charging. So if you don't have original with the middle pin ID, the machine is not working properly. And there we go. So the laptop is charging. We have the charging sign over there. So what can I say? Another happy friend. It's a fix. Like always, don't forget, subscribe to my channel, put the like button, and please comment. If you don't have time to comment, at least let me know where are you looking from. Just put the country. That's enough. That's enough. Thanks a lot. See you soon with some others. Thanks to my sponsors too. And until the next one, be happy and have fun. Bye.